Welcome, love. This is a spirit of mind, your space to slow down and meet yourself with compassion, even in the hard places. If you've been feeling overwhelmed, stuck, or in between, this meditation is here to guide you gently into the discomfort, not to fix it, not to rush past it, but to sit with it. Because sometimes the most powerful shift happens when we stop running from what feels uncomfortable and learn to soften into it. Let's begin. Find a comfortable place to sit or lie down. Close your eyes softly. Place one hand on your belly and one on your heart, if that feels safe. Take a deep, steady breath in and release it slowly without trying to change anything. Now again, inhale. Exhale. Just let yourself land here, in this exact moment, in this body, in this breath. You don't have to make anything go away. This is not about fixing. This is about feeling and allowing. Let your jaw unclench. Let your shoulders drop. Let your breath return home. Now gently bring to mind a feeling that's been hard to sit with. It could be tension, grief, fear, resistance. Whatever it is, just notice it, like a wave moving through you. You don't need to name it or solve it. Just feel where it lives in your body. Breathe into that space. Can you offer it a little softness? Not to push it away, but to hold it. This is what it means to get comfortable with the uncomfortable, not to enjoy it, but to stop fearing your own feelings, to sit beside your truth without judgment. You are safe to feel this, and you are not alone. Imagine that feeling like a tight knot slowly beginning to loosen. Maybe it stays. Maybe it moves. Maybe it transforms. Whatever happens, trust your body to hold it with wisdom. Trust yourself to stay. Say softly in your mind, I can sit with this. I am strong enough to feel. This too is part of my becoming. You are not stuck. You are growing. And growth isn't always graceful, but it's always sacred. Take one final deep breath in and sigh it out. Wiggle your fingers. Feel the support beneath you. And when you're ready, open your eyes gently. You just held space for the part of you that needed it most. That's real courage. Thank you for showing up today with all that you are. If this meditation helped you breathe a little easier, like this video, subscribe to A Spirit of Mind and let me know what you're learning to sit with in your own life. Your discomfort is not your enemy. It's your invitation inward. Namaste.